I'm just living my life. I'm a biker, so I'm a biker. So I joined the biking. I'm a member of the Uganda Bikers Association. We have a very fair God. And you know what? He gave us all 24 hours in a day. 24 hours in a day. So we should respect that I have my 24 hours, you have your 24 hours. It is your responsibility to structure how you manage your 24 hours. And it's mine to manage my 24 hours. When you make members happy, business runs. When members are upset about something, you can't do any work. You have seen examples. So I try my best to keep the house lively, have people laughing. So I play along. I play along there. I don't kill the fun. I play along with them, and then eventually the people just laugh, and we stop it there. Mr. President, we are all corrupt.
Every generation has its mission. It can either fulfill it or betray it. We are the generation of parliamentarians chosen by God and elected by the people of Uganda and given this task. I pledge to provide leadership through this and walk the talk.
For 1.5 years, I never chaired Parliament. I never appeared in Parliament. You never raised the question. Now I'm away for a week, 2 weeks and a half. Oulanyah actually is able to demonstrate. Let's stick to standards and principles. The spirit of Ubuntu, you are because I am. I am because you are. It is the collection of all of us that's what we call humanity. Please, Ugandans.
I can only say that I feel greatly humbled